Hi folks, Matt Smith with Smith Sales Company Auctioneers. Here we have a 1991 Ford F-250 four-wheel drive. Has a 5-speed of 460. Seems like it runs pretty decent. I see it skips on one cylinder, it shakes a little. But you know, overall it does what it should. The bale bed seems to work fine. Nice and smooth. And the T&S trip hop feeder, that is also works fine. All right, folks, that pretty much sums it up. The hood is screwed up. It flew up on the way down. The body's seen better days, but it's still got another life to go. So, thanks for looking.